Summer and some pepper in 7 minutes. Ball has been thrown there. Good pass. Chance, but cleared away. And that's Prosper Ogden there.
When the man is already gone, he's gone. You must let him go.
You must let him go.
Yeah.
You must cut him short. Look, he's doing it with the right.
Sunday last that free kick.
Okay.
Offside.
No, this is very bad.
That's bullshit. That is bullshit. That's some fucking bullshit. Offside.
What the fuck is going
Are you gonna give me a yellow card or not? I'm gonna win this game regardless. Regardless of the
Ball at a very dangerous position. And let's see how the free kick could be affected area. Ball across the face of goal. Nobody in particular. Let's continue with the show. Justice Blue, yes.
Oh, it was nice. Go on. Nice.
Good pass there. Bono, Ewo. Ghana selection. Very beautiful display.
Thank you.
Has no, but has been intercepted by the DC Ghana. Boys have taken the ball. Pushing. Left that one there. For Ghana. What a goal! Ghana select side! Ghana select side have proven their worth. 2 goals to 1. 59 minutes. 59 minutes. Ghana select side partial Asante Kotoko have scored the second goal of the game. 2 goals. Ghana select side beating DC United by 2 goals to 1 in the second half of the game. Lassie quickly taking a balloon one there, but the ball has been allowed for goalkeeper. Free kick to DC United. A free kick to DC United. 62 minutes played so far. Ghana selects a partial Asante Kotoko boys 2, DC United 1. Let's move on. This is Kings Jersey TV. Kings Jersey TV. both Facebook and YouTube. Subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. Subscribe us on YouTube channel, Kings TV. A chance coming. Let's see what they can do. 1, 2, 3. A balloon one there. But the ball crosses the line for a welcome goal kick to Ghana select side. That's another throw into DC United.
God bless.
Ball.
Please,
throw quickly effected.
Steady line. Thank you.
A very telepathic display. DC United seem to be surging forward.
Drop back.
Can they utilize it by the throwing? A throw for Kotoko.
Hey!
That's it.
Let's continue with the game so far. 65 minutes played so far. Ghana select side 2, DC United 1. I see some of the players warming up. Substitution will be on the way soon. And Yantua Kensi and so Bono Ayahua Ghana. So it's been blocked. A very good interception there. Beautiful one. Ghanaians are doing well.
Thank you.
I can't see any so. I can't see any more day. A brick one echo. Ball outside of circle. DC United in possession. Ball. And it's a free kick.
Please tell me it's not a yellow
It's a free kick to.
Let's go, Ghana.
Free kick to DC United. Ball at the center area. And a ball to here. A balloon one in there. It's not easy. Bono. We jam with Fafa the Amani in your bone. Ever could DC United of Nantiano. We jam. Akada.
It's outside of the pitch.
Now showing the resiliency in the game. Ball back to goalkeeper. A balloon one in there. And referee says offside. Touch now for a throw into Ghana select side. A long one sent in, but ball has been cleared away from that zone. A throw into DC United. A throw into DC United. We have a very dangerous spot for Push by goalkeeper. And ball is a corner kick. A balloon one, but way off target. Goalkeeper. A brilliant save. Mamma mia. What a save. What a save. What a save. A balloon one in there, long one for Ghana. Let's see what they can do. The boys are really dictating the pace, but unfortunately, it slipped for Juan Reguta, DC United in Brantiano. But John was your chief financial derby. Ghana for Naji, Debbie Asan, everybody, DC United. And Bonico, Jamo, Eddie Aconin Fafem, Nanso, with Chabonas a Kama, with German answer, foul. I foul. I can't see an Anoya day. Anoya day. Anoya day. Unbelievable prediction. Branton now got one of over 3 with Chabona Senso. I am over the bar. Abrina Yasavia. And you shall be Ghana, 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 Argentina. America from Rantan Bompire. This United, Omo Bompire. Omwadin Kukos, Omo Bompire. Brante Alves. Wabobo Papa. Alves and Wabobo Papa Min Canada. What a game. Hey, na Frafra Bomponi. Frafra Bomponi. Na Kotokobaya. Yay! Ebusi afuya da mwase enti Kings Jersey TV YouTube and Facebook mun subscribe na